Creative, siguro working with our fresh grads who are super welcoming of the new techniques. Kasi I consider myself na experimental filmmaker. So one of the objectives na gusto kong i-apply that I've been working on for like how many years na, I wanted to apply it on Project Atos. Then, since relatively wala pang experience yung mga interns namin, it was really awesome na they absorb it quite matinding mabilis na pag-accept naman. Though iba yung natutunan nila sa school, and totally iba yung na-introduce ko sa kanila, they accepted it. So at least, siguro maybe the story din, moving din yung story, kaya madali nila na-adapt yung process. So yeah, from my standpoint, one of the most exciting experience na was working with them, not the usual industry people, at least for the rest of the core animation team.
Ako ang memorable experience ko sa paggawa nitong Agos, no? Yung kakaiba siya dahil isang pambata, tapos sa isla na nagmula. So very challenging siya para sa paggawa ng musika, sa music, ano. Lalo na't pambata ito. Yun, yung isa sa memorable na experience na at gagawin ko pa rin.
Para sa akin, ang pinaka-memorable nung, alam niyo ba yung pakiramdam na when your heart races? Na iba yung pakiramdam. I felt that when I closed my eyes and then narinig ko yung boses ng pamangkin ko at ni Kuya Kim all together. Napinapinggan ko, ay, para sa atin nga to. Tama pala yung ginagawa natin. So yun, yung moment na yun, it's just few seconds, pero yun yung pakiramdam na nasa tamang landas. Iba yung pakiramdam, masarap yung pakiramdam na yun.